How to save £6,000 with 12 friends. The simple group saving trick used worldwide. Hey everyone, welcome back to The Broke Escape Plan, where we break down real-world money strategies that actually work, no matter your income or where you live. Today, I'm going to show you how you and 12 friends can each save up to £6,000 in 1 year, or get £600 in just 1 week. It's a group saving system that's been used around the world for generations. All it takes is £500 a month, or just £50 a week, from each member. One person gets the lump sum each round, and the rotation continues until everyone receives their payout. This method is powerful because it combines community support, accountability, and structure. And it works whether you're trying to pay down debt, build an emergency fund, or start a side hustle. Let's dive into exactly how it works and how to start your own group. What is the group saving method? Here's how it works. You form a group of 12 people, friends, family, co-workers, or trusted peers. Each person contributes £500 every month. That creates a monthly pot of £6,000 because 500 times 12 equals £6,000. Each month, one person takes the full £6,000 payout. This continues until all 12 members have received their £6,000, which takes 12 months to complete a full cycle. The same can be done weekly instead of monthly. Each person contributes £50 a week, creating a £600 a month pot. One member gets £600 each week. In 12 weeks, everyone will have received £600 once. This system is known by different names around the world: Susu in parts of West Africa, chit funds in India, tandas or kundinas in Latin America, rotating savings and credit associations, roscas, globally. No interest, no banks, just trust and structure. So why is this method so effective? Lump sum access. You're getting £6,000 at once. That's powerful. Whether it's to pay off debt, start a business, fund a wedding, or handle an emergency, a large amount of money can be a game changer. Force saving. You're committing to saving a fixed amount every month or week. The group holds you accountable. You can't skip or delay. Your friends are counting on you. No need for a bank, no credit checks, no interest, no paperwork. It's community-based, trust-driven, and accessible, even in places where formal banking systems are limited. Discipline plus accountability. It's easy to say, "I'll save next month," but when you're part of a group, skipping isn't an option. That pressure turns into a financial habit. Community and support. You're building trust and connection. Often these groups evolve into spaces where people share money tips, business ideas, or emergency support. Setting up your own group is easier than you think. Step 1. Find 11 reliable people. Look for people who are serious about saving: friends, family, co-workers, or trusted contacts. Step 2. Choose weekly or monthly contributions. £500 a month equals £6,000 payout over 12 months. £50 a week equals £600 payout over 12 weeks. Step 3. Agree on the rotation order. Decide who gets the first payout. You can draw names randomly, go alphabetically, or prioritize someone with an urgent need. Step 4. Choose a collector or tracking system. Pick someone to collect and distribute the money, or use a shared app, Google Sheet, or WhatsApp group to track everything. Step 5. Set rules. Make it clear what happens if someone misses a payment. Will they get skipped? Will there be a grace period? Step 6. Stick to the schedule. Hold monthly or weekly check-ins to ensure everyone's on track. Consistency is key. Don't miss payments and don't delay payouts. Let's see how this system is used around the world. West Africa, called Susu or Ajo, these saving circles help members fund weddings, cover rent, or start small businesses. In many communities, this is the only way to access lump sums. India, chit funds are used both formally and informally. They're especially common in rural areas and among entrepreneurs needing working capital. Mexico and Latin America, tandas and cundinas are essential among immigrant communities who may not have access to credit. These help people pay for cars, medical expenses, and small businesses. Philippines, known as paluwagan, this method is deeply rooted in Filipino culture and serves as a reliable financial support system. These aren't just cultural traditions, they're practical solutions that work. Only invite people you trust money, and trust go hand in hand. This system works only if everyone's committed. Use tech tools apps like Splitwise, Google Sheets, or WhatsApp groups can keep everyone on the same page. Have a backup plan. What happens if someone loses their job or can't pay 1 month? Decide how to handle emergencies in advance. Document everything. Keep track of every payment and payout. Transparency builds trust. Use the lump sum wisely plan ahead. When it's your turn, use your £6,000 or £600 intentionally. Pay off debt. Invest in a business. Build your emergency fund. Avoid wasteful spending. And that's it, a simple, powerful system that helps you save £6,000 a year or £600 in 12 weeks, just by teaming up with 12 friends and sticking to the plan. If you're serious about saving and ready to do it with people you trust, this is your moment to act. Have you ever tried a savings group like this? Are you thinking about starting one? Drop your story in the comments. I'd love to hear how it goes. Make sure to subscribe to the Broke Escape Plan because we're building wealth together, one smart, accountable step at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.